I gotta set the table. We were here before they got to Galveston.
It's important to have this event because this is for our people. It reminds us of the time that we were enslaved and we had to learn that we were free. But we're never going to be really free, but we're free to a point that we can make choice decisions. I wanted this here because Port Wentworth had nothing to celebrate Blackness, to celebrate us. So now we have this third year, and each year it gets bigger and better.
Commissioner Aaron A. Whiteley for the 6th District of Chatham County. I want to first just give a shout out to Port Wentworth for this great event commemorating the Juneteenth holiday, something that's huge in the African American community, but also in our community at large. Black history is everybody's history. Black history is American history. So we appreciate Port Wentworth for making this happen. What Juneteenth means to me is ultimately the opportunity to work together to make sure that everybody knows the power we have when we work together.
I want to see you on your feet. Yeah, you know, you knock me out.